Hey YouTube family! In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up 4K Player VIP using Downloader. If you face any login issues or need the playlist format, message me on WhatsApp, open the Downloader app and tap the URL field. Type 2.923.84, then press Go to download the file. When download completes, press Install. Wait until installation finishes, then open the 4K Player VIP app. Now select 4K VIP, select Edit Input the username and password provided to you. Then click on Update Playlist. Playlist is uploaded successfully. Press OK. Now again select 4K VIP and tap on Connect. After a successful login, the app will show its dashboard or menu. This video demonstrates only the setup steps, not content playback. If you need help with the playlist format or login details, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.